Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Allstate auto insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Allstate auto insurance, start by reviewing your policy documents. Check for any specific cancellation requirements mentioned in your agreement. Gather necessary information, including your policy number and personal details. Contact Allstate's customer service by calling the number listed on their website. Be prepared to verify your identity with personal information. Inquire about the cancellation process and ask any questions you may have. Follow their instructions carefully to proceed with the cancellation. If preferred, you can also cancel your policy through the Allstate mobile app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Policy Management section within your account. Select the option to cancel your policy. Review any cancellation fees or refund processes that may apply. Confirm your cancellation request and follow any prompts to finalize it. Keep a copy of any confirmation or reference number related to your cancellation. If you have other insurance needs, consider exploring alternative policies. After cancellation, monitor your financial accounts for any remaining charges. That concludes the process of canceling your Allstate auto insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.